Your home likely has dust, dander, mold, and airborne contaminants floating around in the air you breathe. Everyday tasks like brushing your pet, leaving the windows open, spraying harmful cleaners, and even owning a central HVAC system can contribute to poor air quality inside your house. However, purchasing an air purifier helps filter contaminants out of your space and contributes to cleaner, healthier air in your lungs. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 air purifiers on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, features, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Levoit Core 300S Air Purifiers for Home Bedroom. If your goal is to purify the air in a smaller room in your house, you don't need to splurge for a massive unit designed for a much bigger space. Instead, there are many small air purifiers on the market that will effectively filter the air in your home without costing a fortune. The Levoit Core 300S Air Purifier aced our lab tests when it came to removing smoky and scents from the test environment, reducing PM 2.5 levels to a good range, and eliminating particles in the air within 30 minutes. Since we used the same size room to challenge this unit as we did with much larger units, we were expecting the air purifier to take much longer than others to remove toxins from the air. However, it worked almost as quickly as the larger units, making it the best air purifier for small spaces. Number 2. Levoit Core 400S Air Purifiers for Home Large Room. Understanding the air quality in your home can feel confusing and overwhelming, but the Levoit Core 400S Smart True HEPA Air Purifier makes it easy to understand. The lightweight model works in rooms up to 990 square feet, and it uses 3 different filters to remove dust, bacteria, pollen, smoke, and more from your home. During testing, we found that it was extremely effective against particles, VOCs, harmful gases, and smoke in the air when running on both its low and high settings. Setting up the Levoit Core's integrated app was very simple. You can easily check the room's air quality within the app, which shows a specific PM 2.5, particulate matter, rating and indicates the air is very good, good, moderate, and bad. You'll also be able to program the purifier to use different fan speeds and modes at different times of the day, schedule it to shut off at certain times, and more. Number 3. Coway AirMega 400SG app enabled. No matter how much cleaning you do, there's likely a lot of airborne dust particles floating around your home. However, the Coway AirMega 400S air purifier can help to remove that dust from your air by trapping it in the HEPA filter so you're not breathing it in all day. It works in rooms up to 1,560 square feet, cycling through all of the air at least 2 times every hour to remove dust, dander, airborne contaminants, and more. We found that this air purifier quickly reduced the PM 2.5 levels in the room we tested it in, decreasing the rating from hazardous levels to harmless in less than 10 minutes. Because it's made for large spaces, it's a big purifier, something that surprised us, so if you've got limited floor space, this is probably not the model for you. Noise level, between 22 and 52 decibels. Dimensions, 14.8 by 14.8 by 22.8 inches. Number 4. Bissell Air 400 Professional Air Purifier. Getting rid of smoke from your home can be a difficult task, whether you're near someone who smokes cigarettes, you live in an area impacted by wildfires, or your home is exposed to smoke from another source. Since simply putting a wall between you and the source of smoke isn't enough to stop harmful particles from getting into your airways, purchasing an air purifier can be one helpful solution. During our tests, the Bissell Air 400 Professional Air Purifier performed the best against smoke out of all the devices we tried. After adding smoke to an enclosed space with the air purifier, the device accurately registered a hazardous level of PM 2.5 on its screen, but after just 5 minutes it reduced the levels by more than 990 points to a healthy level again. Noise level, 80 decibels, dimensions, 12.20 by 18.9 by 27.24 inches. Number 5. Dyson Purifier Cool TP07 Smart Air Purifier. The Dyson Purifier Cool was one of the best air purifiers we tested, significantly decreasing the number of particles in the air in just 5 minutes. After adding smoke and pet hair to the room, the model reduced the PM 2.5, particulate matter, levels from 999.9 to 115.2 after 5 minutes and to just 8.0 after 10 minutes. The replaceable HEPA filter has activated carbon in it, which helps to capture gases and odors, and it's capable of trapping particles like pollen, dander, and dust as small as 0.3 microns. Its 360-degree filtration system allows it to pull in air from all sides at once, so it cycles through the air more quickly than other models. You'll be able to see the room's air quality in real time on the LCD screen at the front of the machine and read a detailed report on the Dyson Link app. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. I hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. Check out the description box if you want to know the product price. Thanks for watching.